Hey guys, what's up? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get always on display on your Redmi Note 7 or any other Xiaomi devices. And this process does not require root also. So without further delay, you should leave a like and subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So first, to get this awesome feature, you have to download an application from the link given in the description down below. After downloading and installing this application, open it up, go through all the tabs, allow all the permission that it requires, and you are good to go. Now the interesting part about this application is you can get various different watch faces and backgrounds. You can also customize each and everything according to your requirement, such as font size, style, theme style, and many more. So that's it for this video. Tell me in the comments below, will you try this app on your Xiaomi smartphone or not? And I will see you in the next one.